Hello everyone, today I am going to share NLP IMP question. So let's see the question. Let's see for the first unit. First question is differentiate between NLP and programming language. This question has occurred in all three papers. Second question is what is NLP? Discuss various stages in NLP process with suitable example. This question has also occurred in three papers. Third question is what do you mean by part of speech tagging and what is the need of this task in NLP? This question has also occurred in two papers. Next question is explain the tokenization with its different types. This question has also occurred in two papers. Discuss the challenges of natural language processing. Now let's see for the second unit. First question is explain with suitable example the following relationship between word meanings. First is homonymy, polysemy, synonymy, hyponymy, antonymy, hypernomy, meronymy. The last three is occurred only in one paper, but still I have given because they may ask. Next question is what is morphology? Explain derivational and inflectional morphology in detail with suitable example. This question has also occurred in three papers. Construct the possible parse tree for the sentence. Astronomers saw the stars with ears and comment on the ambiguity associated with it. Assume the suitable grammar. The other question I will provide at last. Next question is illustrate the working of FST for the morphological analysis with an example. This question has occurred in only one paper, but it seems to be IMP. Next question is what is probabilistic context-free grammar? State the benefits of probabilistic parsing. This question has also occurred in one paper, but it seems to be IMP. From the previous year questions I have analyzed and given these questions to you. So it's better that you complete all these questions. If you do these questions, you will shortly receive 20+ marks. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share, subscribe please. Thank you.